AI DFY Sales System Review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about this offer called AI DFY Sales System. Let's get to the sales page, even though you will not find the link of this offer below my video. Okay, so you will not be able to buy this from me because I am not kind of promoting it. Okay, so if you come to the sales page, let's see what does it say. It says done for you passive AI income opportunity for just $1 just paste a single link into our system. 100% done front end commission in profit after your first sale. No promoting needed ever. You know what? If you read all of this here, will make no sense to you. At least no makes no sense to me. Okay. So what we're gonna do is in this video, we will divide this video into three parts. First part is obviously I'm doing the review. Second part is where I will tell you exactly how to make real money on the internet. Okay, because if you keep buying something in $5, $10, $20, that will not make you money. Whether you buy that from me, from them, from somebody else. It's not that you buy from me, you will become rich. It's not like that, okay? It might give you something, a training program might teaches you something at $17. A software might do few things for you. For example, if you go and grab my software, it says below my video, it says check out all my Warrior Plus products. So far I got only two of them, I guess. Okay, two software. So this launch to profit is coming and you should have it. And for now, review to profit AI is live. Okay, and this is my launch to profit dashboard. This is my own software which I'm selling, and it generates all the affiliate campaigns, whether you talk about these things, review campaigns, bonus pages, this and that. Okay, so you can go to the sales pages of these two software which I have, and you can check what you can get in the demo videos. For example, you right click here, right click and open link, and you can go to the sales page and you can watch this demo video. Similarly, you can go for this review to profit AI and watch the demo video, and then you can buy whatever you want out of these two. Okay, they will help you to generate content, reviews, YouTube scripts, etc, etc. Go and check them out. Okay, so come below here, what else do we have? So I guess we'll talk about these things in the end, and also I will give you my bonuses. So make sure you watch the video till the end if you want to know how, whether you should buy this or not, and how to make real money, and my bonuses. So make sure you watch the video till the end. Okay, so the funnel is right here. It says you can get into something in $1, and what that something is, I have no idea. Let's try to read that again. So what is this? It's some system where you paste your link into their system and profit this and that. Come on, guys, give me a break. Okay, these screenshots, yes, they made this money, but money was made by selling, not by buying. Okay, so just $1, get into it. Let me show you something. I think if we go to the history of the creator of the product, so he has been creating similar products, you could say, and I'll show you that in a moment. Hang on. Let Warrior Plus verify me. Okay, verification successful, and we are here. So we already have $1 guaranteed clicks, right? So this time they're launching AI DFY system, sales system. They're launching this in $1. Earlier, they had been launching many things in $1 anyway. They already have launched the AI money link in $1, as you can see. $1 guaranteed clicks in $1 again. $3 something here, $1 here. So they had been, you know what this is called? Rehashing. Okay, rehashing of the garbage actually. So they had been launching the same stuff again and again in $1 or $5. Price doesn't matter. It's just the same thing being sold to you over and over and over again. Okay. Now I don't have problem in selling them whatever they want to sell. My question is, what just happened? My question is that what are we learning? What the buyers are learning? And nothing. Nobody's learning anything. If you come to the sales page here, you say, oh, you give me $1 and you get into my system, you paste your affiliate link as if the sales are going to rain. Is it so? Everybody can afford $1. I know that. I can guarantee you everybody on the planet can afford $1, but that will not help you with anything. Okay, if $1 was supposed to make you sales, bring traffic, then people are not idiots making YouTube videos and promoting stuff like whatever I'm doing. Okay, if $1 can get you sales, then people will not do email marketing. They will not make these long YouTube videos. People are stupid. If $1 can get you everything. Okay, bottom line is here, Behind $1, what we got here is a super funnel. Okay, so you pay them $1, then you pay them more, more, and more. Nobody cares if you live or die. It's business. Everybody has to run it. They are after your money. I don't blame them at all. This is what their business is. They want you to get into $1, and then they will push you for all these things, and you will end up buying something. You will end up buying some of these at least. Okay, so it's not about $1. It has never been about $1. It's about you get into the system and then pay them more. Okay, and the problem I have is, why do this again and again? Why do this here in $1? Why do this here in $1? Why do this here in $1? If results were supposed to come, they were supposed to come here in the previous launches. Okay, so open your eyes. Okay, nobody is your godfather here. Nobody wants to help you. Everybody wants to make their own money. Okay, you have seen the funnel here. Front end just to get you into $1 into something. OTO1 is this, OTO2 is this, OTO3 is this, OTO4. So by the end of the day, you give them the money. That's all about. That is what this is all about. Okay, and even you can pay them up to $497 to launch the product with them or whatever they sell. I don't really have any patience for this. Okay, so coming back here, they have been selling the same shit over and over again. $1 guarantee, AI money guarantee, this guarantee, that guarantee. My only question is, why do you need others to put their links? Ask yourself a commonsensical question, that why do I need others to put in their affiliate links so that they can get sales? If I have the traffic, if I am a common sensible person, I have the traffic to myself. Why would I invite you to put in your links? I'll get all the sales. I will get all the sales from my traffic to myself. I will promote my product and make all money myself. Why would I invite somebody to get into my traffic in $1 and you get sale? Why would you get sale from my traffic in $1 that too? Unless it's all bogus. Okay, so I guess I can't get into your brain. I just gave you some hints. $1 is nothing. The business model says that, oh, you get into $1, it's a trick, and then you pay them more and more and more, and you keep paying them because they keep coming back, they keep rehashing the product. Okay, it's their business model. I can't blame them, but you have to be smart enough, or rather just don't be a fool enough. Okay, even if you're not smart, just don't be a fool. Okay, what we got? So let's do a recap. If you want to go and try this, try at your own risk. I am not promoting it at all, because they have been doing this again and again. So if they have something sensible, training program, something, I could promote it, but not this one, because it's just like, oh, you promote your offer to my, I just don't believe in all that. Okay, so again, if you want to make real money online, it's much more than just $1. Okay, nobody makes shit in $1. You get nothing in a $1. Come on, man. You don't get a lollipop, I guess, in $1. So if you want to make real money online, then make sure you watch the video till the end. And if you're a beginner affiliate, and if you want everything in one place, if you want to generate all the content for your review, bonus page, etc., then go and check out my products. For here it says check out my Warrior Plus launches. Go and check them out and go and buy these software. This will definitely help you. And now watch the video till the end, because now we're gonna discuss how to make real money, and also you will get bonuses if you go and buy these things from me. So watch the video till the end. All right, guys, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about some serious stuff, that how can we make real money, because the products will come and go. Okay, so when you buy something in $17 or in $20, yes, that product might give you some training, or it might do a job, but making money is much more deeper concept than that. Okay, so just below my YouTube video, you click on the more here and find all these links. Okay, so check out all these links. I'm going to explain them one by one. Before that, let me quickly give you my introduction if you don't know me. Okay, introduction means, so you just have to go to my channel. Okay, open the YouTube channel right here, and then go to playlists. Okay, so once it is open, go to playlist here, and you will know what I have been doing all these in all these years. Okay, so if you scroll down into my playlists, go to playlist, then scroll down, and this one here is showing you affiliate product reviews. Okay, so I have done these reviews more than 1600 times. I'm not new to this, okay? So I was doing these reviews 3 4 years ago. Then I stopped and I changed my field to forex trading. As you can see these videos at the top, okay? So I was doing these 1600 reviews, or I have done those 1600 reviews back 3 years. Then I stopped and changed my field to forex trading. Okay. What does it mean? It means that whatever I'm recommending you, I have done that in my real life. Okay. And not once, not twice, hundreds of times. So if I'm saying come on YouTube, make videos and you can make money, I have made more than 1600 videos myself. Okay. So I have been there. I have done it. And then when I say, oh, you can try forex trading, I have made more than 600 videos, as you can see. So I know what I'm talking about. That's my little history. Okay. So, well, let's get back. And below the video, you will find these links. I will recommend you to go and check out this Warrior Plus product. So when you click on check out my Warrior Plus products, you will only find maybe a couple of products so far with which are AI. Okay. For now, when I'm recording this video, this review to profit is live, and whenever you're watching the video in the future, this launch to profit will be live too. Okay. And my recommendation is you should have this launch to profit AI if you are getting into affiliate marketing and you want automation. For example, let me show you this launch to profit AI. This is it. This is the dashboard. Okay. So this is the dashboard of launch to profit AI, and you can create everything here. All you have to do is type in the offer name, sales page, and everything, and click generate campaign. Okay. And you will get to see the whole demo video when you go to the sales page, click on open link, and you come to the sales page right here. And then you watch this 22 minutes long demo video in which you have, you will see how the campaigns are generated and everything is done. Okay. So go and grab it. And whenever this will be launching pretty soon. If it is not live yet, it will be launching soon. Okay. So what we got here? So review to profit is already launched. So go to the sales page and check that out too. Let's come to the main links now. So because I told you I have switched to forex trading. So this link says swing like a pro. Okay. Now trading is not for everybody. I'm telling you right now. If you are broke, cool, it's not for you. If you are living on budget, it's not for you. If you're living from paycheck to paycheck, as long you do not have funds available, you have no flexibility with the funds, trading is not for you. It's only for people who can invest the money. Okay, that's number one. So I think that hurdle is gone. If you want to, if you're confused, oh, is it for me? Is it not for me? Trading is only for people who got the money. Are we clear? We are. Okay. So I will go and talk about these links. Okay. And if you do not know from where to start, should you do YouTube, should you do trading, should you do email marketing, whatever, what you need to do to make money online, then you can consult with me, and you can book one-to-one call with me as well if you don't know what to do, or you just want to talk to me, because not many people will give you the chance to speak with them directly. For those successful people, for example, let's say I make money online. Okay, you have the chance to speak with me one-to-one, to be honest. You can book on, for example, you go on somebody else's channel, and if they're successful, you will never be able to speak to them one-to-one, right? So if you are confused, not sure what to do, how to start your make money online career, if you want to speak with me, then you can book consultation right here. Click on this link which says book consultation, then come to this page. When you click on the link, you will be right here, and then scroll down and just click on this thing here. This will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay. And you can email here on this address. So before making the payment, if you want to check the timing with me, you can email me and tell me what is your suitable timing for the call, or you can make the payment first here, no problem. And after the payment, just email me and tell me what's your suitable timing, and we can talk one-to-one at that particular time. Okay. So go and check that out. And then now coming back again here. So this trading thing is for people who actually I told you have the money. Okay. But when you click on this link, you will come to this page right here, which will be saying this mentorship program. Okay. So you will come here and you will see these videos, all these trades I have taken in the recent past. And when you see these short videos, these are like 2 minutes videos. Okay. Go and watch them to understand if I have the knowledge or not. Okay. So go and visit this page if you are interested in trading and you have the money. If you don't have the money, don't bother. Okay. So coming back again, we have this link, which is very, very important. Make money on YouTube, which everybody can do. Okay. Everybody can make YouTube videos. Making YouTube videos is absolutely free if you have the knowledge. If you don't have the knowledge, you can't do much. Okay. So you click on this link, and then You can check out this testimonial. You can enter your email. After you do all of that, then you will come to the real page, and I'll show you that one. It's called Traffic Jarvis. Okay, so you will come to this page after that. And once you go through this training program, this is a YouTube training program for serious people who want to make a living on YouTube. Okay, whether you want to do affiliate marketing or some other YouTube marketing, you can start a YouTube channel, or rather, you can start as many YouTube channels you want, not only one. You can start as many YouTube channels you want after going through this training. And most importantly, the USP of this training is that you can make money with YouTube ad revenue. For example, get to your YouTube channel monetized, and YouTube will pay you this kind of money if if people will watch the ads in your videos. If people will watch ads in your videos, for example, when you are watching this video, you have seen some ads, so those ads makes me a little bit of money, not much, not huge, but little bit. I'm not on zero. Okay, so when you see my video, I make a little bit of money. That's like right here. Okay, so that's one example. Then you can do you can check out these testimonials, obviously, and then you can sell whatever you like in your what do you call YouTube videos. Okay, and if they buy, you make money. Okay, this is what you can see on the sales page. All these are real proofs. Okay, all these are real proofs. All this money was made by me back in those days, and even today I make money on YouTube just with free traffic. Okay, you watch my video, you trust me, you buy, I make money. Similarly, you make a video, somebody else will watch your video, they will trust you, they will buy. Okay, so what we got, so you got a couple of methods I told you. Trading only for people who can afford. YouTube, anybody can do it as long you can go through this training, because this training will help you to learn everything about YouTube and also get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days. It will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within weeks, and get everything done within 30 days maximum. You can see the testimonials yourself. Okay, then we have one more link which says get 100 email leads per day. This will give you 100 email leads per day, and also the system inbuilt from where you can send these leads email once every 24 hours. Okay, for example, if I show you the system, so you can see I had been making recurring commission with the system, never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending, never ending for a number of years. Okay, it's not much, it will not make you rich, but if you easily want maybe $200-300 per month extra, this might help you. Okay, everything is depending on your hard work. Nothing is guaranteed. It is your hard work only. If you are not consistent, if you're not disciplined, if you don't do the work, nobody can help you. Okay, you only get the results based on your own efforts. You don't get my results based on doing nothing. Okay, I get my results based on my efforts. You will get your results based on your efforts. Okay, so if you are going to work, be consistent and be disciplined, you will achieve success. Otherwise, nobody achieves success. Okay, anyways, what we got here, so let's do a quick recap and about bonuses as well. So I'll give you these bonuses if you go and buy whatever review we have done in the beginning. So you will get free lifetime auto email responders, which means you can send emails for free for lifetime and grow your email list. And you will get 2 hours of video training about case tracking. Case tracking is like doing these reviews, which I am doing, make reviews and get sales and make money. So you will get that free training. And this is a forex trading PLR. So in case you know nothing about forex trading, if you know read this ebook of 11,000 words so that you can get an idea, you will also get this as a bonus. Okay, so you will get all of this, and if you have any questions, you can always email. Now if you go and buy this thing called launch to profit AI or review to profit AI, you can also get these bonuses. But you will have to, after the purchase, you have to go and email me. So send me your receipt that, okay, yes, I have purchased from your link. Please send me your bonuses. Then we will go and send you these bonuses. Okay. So are we done till now? So I think let's do a recap here. So real ways to make money is YouTube, trading, email marketing. I have shown you, I have done it in my life. Okay. And if you're not sure, then you can book consultation with me. Click on this link right here and make the payment, and you can talk to me one-to-one for 40 minutes. And I guess that's the best way to do it, because once you speak to me, you will have some clarity in your mind, I guess. And then you can start with YouTube or whatever. I am giving you all the methods. It's entirely up to you now. Which one would you choose? Okay. So in the end, I would say I'm recommending this Launch to Profit AI. If you're a beginner, go and get this software and watch this demo video, and you will see everything, how this works. So go and grab the copy of the product for which we have done the review in the beginning, and you will get those bonuses as well, which we discussed. You can make money on YouTube right here. You can try trading if you have the flexibility with the funds. You can get 100 leads per day, or you can book consultation with me. So I have given you all of it. It's just for you to take action now. And thank you for watching the video. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.